Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. So the s I will put on the right, y we put on the left. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, I will concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equal to 3x to the power of 3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 3x squared dx. Number 3 and number 3, we have number 9. Because we don't have number 9 in here, so we divide both sides by number 9. So this one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. So this one I can change by e to the power of negative u. And now we have the final answer. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of y. So negative and negative we can get about positive in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.